All right, guys. We have a Ferrari here. Look at that. So, Rage, do you own that car?
I wish.
You wish? Look at that price. It's a Ferrari. All right. So, ayan guys. Dito kami ulit sa Monaco. And ayan guys. Iniwan ni Rage ngayon yung car niya. So, ayan. Dyan lang daw yun. Park lang daw yun guys. Rage.
Hello! Andito
Ayan.
na naman ako, nagbabalik.
Nagbabalik.
After 1 year, hindi pagsasama kay Doc.
Kasi guys, last natin na vlog is still in LA, Vancouver. Yeah, Vancouver. Kaya ayan guys, nice to have Regine back on the vlog. And ayan, collab
parang,
ito.
Parang taga Monaco yung outfit ko. Madam na madam. Charot na.
Ayan, alright guys, merci beaucoup. See you next time. Bye-bye.